What if I told you that a complete, room-by-room natural cleaning system exists that handles every single cleaning challenge in your entire home using just 5 natural ingredients, costs less than $10 monthly, and produces consistently better results than the 15 different commercial products it replaces? What if I documented 90 days of cleaning every room in my home exclusively naturally and created the definitive guide that nobody has actually completed properly before? I'm giving you the complete system today, room by room, challenge by challenge, with nothing held back. Stay with me, because this is genuinely the last cleaning guide you'll ever need. Why this guide is different. I've consumed enormous amounts of natural cleaning content over the past 2 years. Individual hacks, ingredient spotlights, partial room guides. What I consistently couldn't find was a genuinely complete system covering every room in a real home with honest, tested methods for every specific cleaning challenge that room presents. Most guides cover the easy applications while quietly avoiding the difficult ones where natural solutions require more nuance. I decided to create the guide I couldn't find, 90 days of exclusive natural cleaning across my entire home, documenting every method, every result, every failure, and every surprising success, until I had a complete, honest, room-by-room system I could stand behind completely. The kitchen, complete natural system. The kitchen presents the most diverse cleaning challenges of any room, which is why most natural cleaning guides treat it superficially. Let me address every specific challenge. Daily counter cleaning uses diluted white vinegar in a spray bottle, 1 part vinegar to 1 part water, wiped with microfiber cloth. This addresses everyday food preparation residue and provides mild antimicrobial action without leaving chemical residue where food contacts the surface. On natural stone surfaces, use water and a few drops of dish soap in a spray bottle instead. Vinegar can etch and damage stone surfaces. Stovetop grease, the kitchen's most demanding challenge, requires the baking soda and dish soap paste method. 3 tablespoons baking soda mixed with 1 tablespoon dish soap and enough water for spreadable paste consistency. The bathroom, complete natural system. Toilet bowl, pour ½ cup baking soda into bowl, add 1 cup white vinegar, allow fizzing reaction, let sit 15 minutes, scrub with toilet brush, flush. The combination addresses both mineral staining and bacterial concerns adequately for regular maintenance. Toilet exterior, seat, and tank exterior, white vinegar spray, wiped clean with microfiber cloth. Shower and bathtub soap Scum, the warm vinegar and dish soap method is definitively the strongest performer here. Heat 1 cup white vinegar until warm but not boiling. Add 1 tablespoon dish soap. Spray or apply to soap scum areas, wait 10 minutes, wipe clean. The living room, complete natural system. Upholstered furniture, baking soda sprinkled generously over fabric, left 2 hours to neutralize odors absorbed from daily use, then vacuumed thoroughly. This genuinely refreshes furniture that air fresheners merely temporarily mask. For spot stains on upholstery, dish soap solution dabbed gently, blotted clean, never rubbing, which pushes stains deeper into fibers. Wood furniture, lemon juice and olive oil combined at 1 part lemon to 2 parts olive oil, creates a conditioning polish that cleans, nourishes, and shines wood surfaces simultaneously. The lemon's citric acid provides gentle cleaning, while olive oil conditions wood fibers and creates natural shine. The bedroom, complete natural system. Mattress freshening. This is where natural cleaning genuinely excels beyond any commercial solution. Hydrogen peroxide sprayed lightly across entire mattress surface, left minimum 4 hours or overnight, vacuumed completely. Eliminates sweat and body odor accumulation that mattresses absorb over months of use. For mattress stains, hydrogen peroxide dabbed directly, blotted, allowed to air dry. Laundry room and maintenance. Washing machine drum cleaning. 2 cups white vinegar in the drum, hottest empty cycle available. Monthly treatment prevents mildew buildup causing that musty smell many washing machines develop. Dryer lint trap, cleaned after every single use without exception. This is both maintenance and safety practice. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for detailed individual room guides. Share with anyone ready to clean their entire home naturally. Comment which room you're transforming first. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, use the complete system, clean every room naturally, and experience what a genuinely chemical-free home feels and smells like.